Resident Evil Village. You can play that on the phone, the whole full game.
All right, we about to start this gameplay, man. Y'all tap in. I'm playing as the black guy again. All right. I'm gonna see how long I survive this time. Let's see. Let's see how long I can survive. I really want to play a different character because I already gave y'all the black guy, but I'm trying to see how long I can survive this time. Because the first time I died instantly, but we gonna see if I can make it this time. If I can survive and escape. That's the whole plan. Because the last time I played a victim, I did not escape. If I can escape, then that's all we need. It's really hard playing the victim compared to the killer because with the victim, you gotta find a toolbox, find a key to open up the door, then escape. With the killer, you already got access to everything. All you gotta do is just open up the doors and just find the victim. So it's easier being the killer than it is the victim. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Is it easier being the victim or the killer? We about to find out. I already know it's easier being the killer.
I'll tell you what, after I play the killer a second time, I'll let you know.
All right, bet.
I do feel like they could have made the map a bit more spacious.
They do it's like different maps are more spacious than others. Like that map is a small map because it's the house and then the outside.
Yeah.
But there are spacious maps like where it's just like so much space that you're like, dang, it's hard to find a victim. I like closed maps because it's more easier to find a victim like that.
I will admit, like if you don't know the map, the layout of the area, it does make it difficult. So it feels like you're walking in a maze.
Mm-hmm. All right, I got. See, you start off hanging off.
Golly,
why the black guy gotta be hanging, man? I'm already on the news to the beginning of the game.
Look, they got him hanging up there like Django.
F it. I'm making all the noise.
Golly, man.
Oh, my back. Y'all still hanging? What y'all got going on? Bitch, get off of
Hey, you better go ahead and cap that, girl.
She got that little ass on her, though.
You better cap that.
Oh. Hold on, Sean. Let me hit it from the back. But, let me get a little head. Don't crash down, bitch. Hey, give me a kiss. One.
Hold on. Let me zoom on. Let me zoom on this real quick.
Killer coming. We gotta get out of here, dude.
All right.
F it.
Heck, we did.
Damn, I gotta get a key. Okay. So the whole goal is to,
I don't think that's your ass.
Okay.
You better hide. Well, you ain't got nowhere to hide right now. Busky.
Bro, I ain't never played the victim before. It's so weird. I mean, I played the victim before, but like, this is like my first time actually like, how do I get around without hitting this damn thing? Okay, cool.
Do they switch up how you start when you play the game? Just one.
What's up?
Do they switch up how you start when you're playing the game?
What you mean?
So like, he was just hanging just now.
No, you always start off like that, hanging.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Go. Fuck up. Hurry up, nigga.
This is the fastest he can move.
nigga, you so loud. Bro, I gotta get the hell up out of here. Oh shit. Okay. Go. Why you run so damn slow?
Cause he's injured.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Man, if this was real life though, everybody would have been dead for real.
Oh shit. Nigga, I didn't know that. Damn. They take down on the open up this damn door. Bro, what the fuck? What do you mean the tool broke? Are you dead ass?
That's rough.
Bro, the tool broke, bro. I hope you went upstairs. That give me time to get away.
Struggle is real.
Bro, I ain't got no key. I gotta find a key. And if this nigga find me, it's my ass. I'm talking quietly like he can hear me in real life.
Because that's just how, what's the word? That's just how tense it be. It's the anticipation.
God, this is crazy. If he come back downstairs, it's around. I gotta find that key thing. I almost escaped too. My whole goal was to escape, bro.
Dang, you ain't gonna take the girl with you?
The girl dead, bro.
Dang, you lost your girl. Y'all could have smashed before she don't win.
I mean, I got a little kissy kiss. I got a little top off the dome. I got the top of the morning, but you know, it's all good.
He said top of the morning to you. Sound like doggone Jacksepticeye. Top of the morning.
I got fucking $2, bro. Damn, that's the only $2. That's bullshit. I'm climbing up these stairs, nigga. Fuck that shit. It's my only way to freedom. We out! Yeah! Get up! Hang up!
Oh, snap, it's daytime.
Facts. How do I hide? Okay.
Why am I getting some, what's it called? Resident Evil Biohazard vibes.
She escaped. She about to die.
You ain't gonna help her.
No, that bitch about to die.
She's worth it, though. She's worth it. She's loyal. She's dependable.
Shut up.
He said, I can smell your black ass from over here.
You're not helpful. Damn, you about to kill us. Why my character leaking and stuff? Not leaking, but he just moves so damn slow.
Because he's injured, for sure.
Bro, I already tried the health thing. What the hell else?
I don't know what they did to that man.
Facts. Swap fuse. Swap bone scrap. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, that nigga over there. He's over there, bro. No. Oh my god.
Oh, that sucks. He found you?
No, he didn't find me. He didn't find me. Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Oh, and Grandpa's right there. Oh, you.
Oh,
Dang.
shit. Damn.
He said, where you going?
Shit,
Yeah, where you going?
Shit. Oh, I can't run that fast. shit. Damn. Sprint.
Oh,
Shit. Oh my God, my body. Damn. I'm the first person to die.
dang.
First person to die, bro. It was 3 people. That girl was struggling with the killer, and she still didn't die. First person to die. Bruh, being a black guy is not, bruh. All right, this is what's going to happen next. After Tyrone play, I'm going to play the female victim, and I bet you money I'm going to survive. The white girl always survives. At least the one that ain't a slut. Like if it's like the virgin white girl, she gonna survive, man. Like off top, she gonna survive.
Oh, dang.
Crazy.
Juliana.
Julia.
Jules. Jules Santiago.
Should I see you? Should we just? Do you want to watch them, or do you want to exit the game since I already died?
I'll go ahead and play the killer again.
Okay. I was saying like you want to see if they survive, or don't worry about it.
Nah, don't worry about it.
Alright, yeah, I ain't gonna worry about it. We gonna leave. We gonna go ahead and leave. All currently XP will be saved. All currently earned XP will be saved. Cool, okay. I already died. What I need to stay for? I already died. What I need to stay for? Hold on, catch my ducky. I already died. What I need to stay for? Hold on. Hey, I already died. What I need to stay for? I already died. What I need to stay for? Hey, I already died. What I need to stay for? Hey, I already died. What I need to stay for? Hey, I already died. This is the clown move right here. This one got hype. I already died. What I need to stay for? Oh my. My knees. Hold on, I'm getting older. That's that almost 30 knees. Oh.
No, it be like that,
When
man.
you start to feel it, you be like, hold on. When I was 16,
Can't go to the club like that.
can't go to the club like that. Alright. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching, most importantly. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You already know it's your boy GMB Reacts. Thank you guys for tuning in. We about to go ahead and hop into the next gameplay. I will see you guys in the next one. And thanks for recording, Tyrone. Shout out to my boy Tyrone. Yes, sir. Y'all make sure y'all follow him on the ground. He about to be producing some new music soon, so check that out. And for the most part, follow me on the ground as well. The World of GMB, only on the ground. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.